Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a fan of Zara and you've got a gift card, you might be wondering how to add it to your Zara app. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, download the Zara app on your phone if you haven't already. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. And make sure you are logged into your Zara account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create a new one. So after you are logged in, you will see this interface on Zara app. So in order to add the gift card to your Zara app, you need to first go to your profile section. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. At the top of your screen, you can see different menus. Select the option Profile. Next up, you can see the Wallet option. Tap on it. On the Wallet menu, you'll find the Gift Cards option. Tap on it. Now you should see an option to add a new gift card. There is a button Add a gift card at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Now here below the barcode there is an empty field. Tap on it. Now carefully enter the gift card number. And if the gift card is valid, you will see an add option. You need to tap on it to complete the process. And after that, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your gift card has been successfully added to your account. And that's it. Your Zara gift card is now added to your app and you can start shopping right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.